everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get yourself a motorcycle license there in New York. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you're simply gonna go ahead, go to your browser and simply type in dmv.ny.gov.com. so once you're done, so you're gonna get to this official website of it, where you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So if you would like to get yourself license, you can see this. We have this first option called license permits and IDs. You're gonna tap on it, and now you can see driver's license, right? Go ahead, tap on that, and now this is gonna open another interface for you. You can see, just scroll down to the bottom and you're gonna find this kind of interface. So you can tap on this, get your first license, just right over here. And now you have this kind of interface, right, where you can find Department of Motor Vehicles, all kinds of information. Again, you gotta scroll down to the bottom, and now you can see this get your learner permit and first driver license. There is a step by step for you to available for you to follow through the prompts properly to get your license. So here basically you can learn about motorcycle permit test, which will give you all of the highlight pointers which you can learn, so it can help you out with your driver's license. Again, go back and you're gonna simply do, you can see step 2, to determine the document type you need. You gotta go ahead, and if you do not understand anything, you can simply tap on this blue highlighted text given just below in every step for you to learn more about that particular step. Afterwards, once you're done, you're going to tap on this New York State driver's manual, where you can study for you to, it will help you out for the test. Now you're going to scroll down to the bottom and simply follow all of the steps and study accordingly. Now you can see schedule and take a road test just for you. You can simply tap on this highlighted again. It will simply open another interface for you, which will let you know how you can schedule yourself a test. And now here in the bottom section, you can find the schedule a text option. Once you tap on it, you will be able to tap on, so you can see we are out of the New York. That's why we do not have the permit or access for that. If you're inside the New York, you can simply tap on the schedule a test and schedule yourself a test. Once you complete all of the steps, you will be able to access your your motorcycle license just like that. So that is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.